Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create word by word highlighted text effect in CapCut Mobile. So here I've already opened the video. So next, click on the text and use the auto captions to generate the subtitles. Now just click on generate. So in here I'm going to create the highlighted word by word. So I want to like highlight every word that said in the caption. So here let's change the style first. I'm going to change the font into, okay, let's try monster, and here go to the animation, click on the caption, then scroll down until you find the border pop here. Okay, border pop up. So I'm going to use the 3. Okay, this one, border pop up 1, 2 or 3. You can just choose which one to use. I'm going to use the 3 here, the third version. Click on the check icon and make sure that you check this to apply it to the whole auto captions, and this will be the result. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.